Take your fresh, clean salmon and season with your favorite seasonings. We're using Red Lobster seafood, Weber honey garlic, and Tone 6-pepper blend for our seasoning. Once you've got it all seasoned up, we take it out to the grill. Have your grill set up for indirect cooking with a piece of cherry. Close it on down. 15 minutes later, this is what we're looking like. And after 25 minutes, you have some perfectly smoked salmon fillets on the Weber kettle. Plate it up and you're good to go. It's just that simple, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. I appreciate you guys watching, and God bless.